Hi, my name is Vanessa Duran. I'm 34 years old and I live in Miami, Florida. 2 years ago, when I was 32, I had two meniscus tears while playing soccer. One of theirs was so bad that it even flipped backward, so I couldn't walk or fully extend my leg. I saw five orthopedic surgeons here in Florida, and four of them recommended cutting or cleaning up my meniscus. That didn't make sense to me because we have these parts for a reason, right? The fifth doctor wanted to repair it, but I found out that his method was very outdated compared to Dr. Saliman's advanced approach. So after my first online consultation with Dr. Saliman, I felt so reassured that I decided to fly to LA and have him do the surgery. And it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. 2 years later, I'm back to playing sports and my knee feels completely normal. The recovery was amazing. I mean, the night after the surgery, I went to explore LA with my family with no painkillers. Dr. Salmon was incredibly kind and supportive the entire time. He and his staff were always available to answer all my questions, and I just felt so well taken care of. I couldn't be more grateful, so I highly, highly recommend him.